Let's do some more SQL. Find the duplicate records in the dataset. This question appeared in the interviews of Google and Amazon. In this question, they're asking, find the duplicate records in the dataset. Output the worker title, effected from date, and the number of times the records appear in the dataset. Let's quickly explore this table right here. So select star from title. As you can see, we have three columns here: worker reference ID, worker title, and affected from. So in this question, they have not really given us what exactly they mean by a duplicate record. Is it just the worker title column? Is it affected from column? Or is it a combination of columns? So what I think and how I'm going to approach this problem, what they mean by a duplicate is a combination of worker title and affected from date. So for example, if a manager, this worker title manager, and affected from date, this combination appears more than once, that's a duplicate. Okay, so let's start building a problem now. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start building it from what they're asking. They're asking output the worker title, affected from date, and number of times the record appears in the data set. So what that is, number of times a record appear, that means it's a count, right? So let's start building this up. Worker title, affected from date, and let's do a group by here. Group by, let's copy this. You can do one or two, you can do it this way as well, but I like to be descriptive, so that. And let's do a count star on here. This will give us the count of this combination, right? And let's run it. Okay, affected from date, is this the right worker title? Affected from date. Okay, the column name is just affected from. Let's fix that. Let's run it again, and there you have it. You have this combination now of worker title and date, and as you can see, we have two records here, lead and executive, which were actually duplicates, right? So all of these with the count 1, they are fine. So let's do a filtration on this group by records using having. So we're gonna do having count star greater than 1. So only show me records where the count is greater than 1 for these grouped records. So that should give us these two right here. Okay, let's run it, and there you have it. So we have the combination of lead, which is a type worker title, and the date, and they appeared more than once. That means they are the duplicates, right? Let's check our solution, and there you have it. That's the right solution. It was a pretty simple problem. They did not give us what exactly constitutes a duplicate, so we used the problem and the text from the problem to make our own combination, which was worker title and affected from date. So that makes sense, right? And we had third column, which was the count of that combination, and there you have it. That's pretty much it.